Hi guys, what's happening? To use margin trading on Kraken Pro, select a market, right? So let's say I'm using BTC USD. Before buying or selling, I just want to let you know that this is not a financial advice. So whatever I do not do the same. Study the market because crypto currencies are very, very volatile. So, and then let me try and buy. Make sure to toggle on the margin right here, right? Make sure to turn it on. This will allow you to borrow money from Kraken on hopes that you will profit from the market, right? So, and what you're gonna do now, select the order type, limit, market, or if you have to, select margin order, right? You may need first to certify your eligibility, right? Some regions, they will ask you to verify or certify your eligibility to borrow money. Once unlocked, you can set the order price and the TP and SL, or take profit and stop loss, right? This will allow you to just at a certain price to trigger the market to stop, or to stop the bleeding or take the profit from the top. All right, and buy or sell to open leveraged position using funds from your collateral currency to make the trade. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.